and then they say something, hey, or something like this, and I think, oh, what is this? Because I think, I don't want to get to front of queue, and then they say, no, you're in the wrong queue. So I started this queue, and it goes very fast, and I think, oh, I'm in the wrong queue, I better join this queue. So I joined another queue, and then what it was like 2 queues going into one. So nobody, for ages, I think it was like 2 minutes, you know? So maybe 15 people in front on this side, but then 15 people in front on this side, so 30 people. So very, very slow. And this one, the person I was stood behind went through very quick, and then I watched and about 50, 60 people go through after the person. I could have been. But I stand in this one, but in the queue next to me, when we go this way, this woman and her husband, they push, keep pushing, and I'm like, oh, get back. So they get in front of me, and then I watch them, and they're in the queue next to me, and they don't move back forward. I get through before these people, so I think, oh, well, you know, and they were pushing and moving forward, but I get through before them. When I go to give passport, other people went longer than me. I was so angry that I was in the last queue.
I saw a lot of people go out. They go out by food. They go out by food. They don't want fly. And I watched them, and after that I went down because I wanted sometimes to go out and I see. So I watch on the way to go out, so watch and wait. Some people wait, but not many people at the airport. So it's easy to recognize you.
Yeah, it's all.
The hair is one hour anyway. So I saw the guy out. Just allies. Because all time back, what time of Virgin Allies and what about that says 3 flights of Virgin Allies. 2 is what about, 1 is 107. Yeah, this is 3 flights of Virgin Allies, but also the same time. Just 107 is the same time. So I think that's the latest flight. It's only more than 1.5 hours. They can go outside.
Because when I arrive at customs, already loads of people. I arrive and I think, no way. So in fact, you know, it could have been longer. Like I say, people, this couple who were pushing, they were still queuing when I went through. So it was like many. When I arrived, I must think 1,000, I reckon it could be 1,000 people.
Yeah, because a lot of Vietnamese want to visit Dubai.
And this man, the man who checked passport, chit chat, he took ages.
Yeah, I hear the customer.
Because he was in box, with the box, he was there checking passport, and then his lady behind, to begin with they were arguing, and you could see his face, like, and then stamp, talk more, and then he looked, and talk with the lady, and then he looked again, stamp, and then he got in, and he came back, like 5 minutes, and really he could just go.
That's why this morning I talked to my friend, what do you have I told her about it and the customer. She said, share the base customer. Everyone was not coming.
I was worried that they'll make me go home and everything. Oh, he's not coming. He's not going to fly.
No, actually, worry. Maybe something wrong with you because sometimes they make fun to you. They make difficult to you. Yeah, maybe they ask you why is where did you pass? then 1.5 hours, and it's 4 hours. After that, I saw one group with just
Many people, when I get through, still many still in the hall.
Yeah, a lot.
Oh, there were loads. There were so many still behind.
At the time, I really I saw lots of cars. I never learned how when the car was not changed and when the car goes, it's not changed. So the driver cannot stop me at the stop car.
Really?
Yeah, he has to stop me outside the stop car. So I went down. Well, the time I reached there, nobody. Just been not many people have to pick up. Yeah. Also maybe many people. But I looked at the dog. Wow, in 20 minutes, 10 flies come together. But they come the same time.
Yeah, crazy.
In 20 minutes, 10 flies. Not 10. 10 flies.
Yeah, there was loads of people. I couldn't believe it when I arrived. I was like, oh. And then it just not move. Some of the queues, some of the lines, they just don't move. You know, half an hour later, it hasn't moved.
Yeah, from 12:45 to 10 past 1.
It's like,
Yeah.
wow.
And after that, no more.
And I think maybe because they say that we are at Ho Chi Minh City, so it takes a long time from Ho Chi Minh City when they say we are in Ho Chi Minh. And I see it outside. I was in the aisle. I wasn't next to the window, but I can see Ho Chi Minh City. But it takes a long time before we actually land. Probably because.
Yeah, because what changed.
Yeah.
Not laying down.
But yeah.
Yeah, I have to wait.
So now we have the bike as well. The bike is good.
Yeah.
I think that was the right bike. Because the other one too small, it seems too small and cannot carry luggage. The big one. No good.
No place for luggage. This place I saw is good because both are second. And the seat also a big seat.
Yeah.
Tôi có đem mấy phim mà không nói cái kia tôi đem